Strong winds are causing severe driving conditions throughout the state. There have been multiple reports of semi-trucks being blown over in the wind. I spoke with the Montana Trucking Association on how they promote safety throughout the trucking industry. Parts of Glacier County and Pend Oreille County have been experiencing wind gusts of more than 80 miles per hour, prompting the Blackfeet Tribal Business Council to suspend traffic on Highway 89 South on Thursday after reports of 3 semi-trucks overturning near Browning. There have been no reports of serious injuries.
You don't know when the gust is going to hit. The gust could all of a sudden be up to 40. Now you have troubles.
The Montana Trucking Association puts an emphasis on educating their members on safety and work with the Montana Department of Transportation in ensuring drivers are aware of current weather and road conditions, utilizing the 511 app and road signs.
Like the 511 app, we work with the Department of Transportation to try to make sure that it's updated as accurately as possible. A lot of the windy areas, especially on I-90, they've installed a lot more signs, variable message signs, to help alert just in time.
When encountering severe weather conditions like wind, the driver has multiple variables to assess before making a decision.
When you have a box trailer, how heavy is it? How much is it loaded? Is it empty? Is it not? Which direction is the wind blowing from? Is it a headwind? Is it a side wind? Is it a tailwind? There's so many different things that a driver has to consider before they make a decision to keep going, to stop for a while, or to take a different route.
Wind speeds of 60 miles per hour or higher have the potential to flip a semi-truck. Caution should be taken anytime winds approach 40 miles per hour. Other vehicles should keep a distance from high-profile vehicles like trucks, buses, and vehicles towing trailers. In Great Falls, Anissa Coomer, MTN News.